is for apple, apple. Apple is red, juicy and sweet. B is for butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly is yellow, it flutters and flies. C is for carrot, carrot. Carrot is orange, crunchy and long. D is for dolphin, dolphin. Dolphin is gray, it jumps in the sea. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant is gray, big and strong. F is for frog, frog. Frog is green, it hops and croaks. G is for grapes, grapes. Grapes are purple, small and round. H is for horse, horse. Horse is brown, it runs so fast. I is for ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream is pink, cold and sweet. J is for jaguar, jaguar. Jaguar is golden, it's fast and wild. K is for kiwi, kiwi. Kiwi is brown, fuzzy outside. L is for lemon, lemon. Lemon is yellow, sour and fresh. N is for mango, mango. Mango is orange, juicy and soft. N is for nightingale, nightingale. Nightingale is brown, it sings so sweet. O is for orange, orange. Orange is orange, round and tangy. P is for parrot, parrot. Parrot is green, it talks a lot. Q is for quail, quail. Quail is brown, tiny and quick. R is for rose, rose. Rose is red, it smells so nice. S is for sunflower, sunflower. Sunflower is yellow, it follows the sun. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger is orange, strong and bold. U is for umbrella bird, umbrella bird. Umbrella bird is black, it has a big crest. V is for violet, violet. Violet is purple, tiny and bright. W is for whale, whale. Whale is blue, the biggest in the sea. X is for x-ray fish, X-ray fish. X-ray fish is silver, see-through and small. Y is for yak, yak. Yak is white, furry and strong. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra is black and white, with stripes all around.
Color everywhere. Let's learn colors here and there. This is red. Red starts with letter R. Fire truck is red. Apple is red. Rose is red. And strawberry is red. A bouncing ball is red. This is blue. Blue starts with letters B. The sky is blue. The ocean's blue. Jeans are blue. And blueberries too. A bluebird flies through. This is green. Green starts with letters G. Grass is green. A frog is green. Leaves are green. And peas so clean. A traffic light can be seen. This is yellow. Yellow starts with letters Y. The sun is yellow, bananas too. Lemons yellow, bright and true. A daffodil blooms just for you. This is orange. Orange starts with letter O. An orange is orange, a carrot too. Pumpkins and sunsets bright for you. And flowers in a warm hue. This is purple. Purple starts with letter P. Grapes are purple, a plum as well. Lavender's purple, so nice to smell. And violets where fairies dwell. This is pink. Pink starts with letter P. Cotton candy's pink and bubble gum. A pink rose soft as it comes, and Piggy's having fun. This is brown, brown, brown. Brown starts with letter B. Bears are brown, and so is the ground. Tree bark is brown, with leaves all around, and cocoa warm and sound. This is black, black, black. Black starts with letter B. The night is black, a crow flies high. A bat is black, up in the sky, and Pepper gives food a try. This is white, white, white. White starts with letter W. Snow is white, a cloud above. Milk is white, so full of love, and feathers of a dove. Colors, colors, bright and true. Every color's here for you.
A says ah, like apple sweet. B says bop, rolls to your feet. C says cup, cat soft and small. D says duck, dog big or small. E says egg in a nest. F says fish swims the best. G says goat on the hill. H says hat to wear still. I says insect flies. J says jam and pies. K says cuckoo, kite in the sky. L says low, lion roars high. M says mama, monkey swings. N says nana, nest for spring. O says octopus waving. P says pop, piggy so dainty. Q says quack, queen in her crown. R says rabbit hops around. S says snake slides near. T says tiger roars clear. U says umbrella for rain. V says violin plays again. W says whale so grand. X says xylophone in a band. Y says yarn rolls on the floor. Z says zebra calls more. Now we know our ABCs with phonics sounds, so sing with me. A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear, growl, 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 growl. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof, woof. E is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for frog, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. G is for goat, bleat, 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 bleat. H is for horse, neigh, neigh, neigh. I is for iguana, hiss, hiss, hiss. J is for jaguar, roar, roar, roar. K is for kangaroo, jump, jump, jump. L is for lion, roar, roar, roar. M is for monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. N is for nightingale, tweet, tweet, tweet. O is for owl, hoot, hoot, hoot. P is for penguin, waddle, waddle, waddle. Q is for quail, chirp, 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 chirp. R is for rabbit, hop, 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 hop. S is for snake, T is for tiger, grr, grr, grr. U is for unicorn fish, glide, glide, glide. V is for vulture, flap, 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 flap. W is for whale, whoosh, 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 whoosh. X is for xenos, peck, 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 peck. Y is for yak, grunt, grunt, grunt. Z is for zebra, trot, trot, trot.